What is good, people of the internet? So today's video is going to be the mod list of the 2006 Honda Civic Si. So for history, I had this car since day one. Bought it in March of 2006. Brand new, first owner. Learned how to drive stick on this car, all that good stuff. So, all right. We'll start with the exterior first. So in the front. These headlights are aftermarket. They're off of eBay. The other ones were really tarnished and bad, but I've seen tricks now on how to clean them and get all that yellowing out. So I'm going to refresh them and try to swap these out because these are starting to do that crackling. The front lip is off of an STI. It is not authentic. It's just another eBay one, but it looks great. Fits well. I had OEM clear fog lights when I first bought the car, but those since shattered. So I replaced them with these yellow eBay ones, and they're great. They're HID yellow bulbs as well. The headlights are HID. Not HID, LED, and they're at 5,000, 6,000 K. So it's got that nice kind of bright white and not too blue. The grille is painted black. The bottom section, usually that is like a light gray, and the SI badge is Plasti dipped white. Coming to the side of the car, I have Rota GRIDs. They're 17 by 9. They have 235, 40, 17 tires on them. They're just a summer tire all season. For the other side, we got the window visors. These are the inlet ones, so they go inside the track with double-sided sticky onto the outer side. Fits way better. Really no chance of it flipping out or falling off, because the ones on the you just stick on the outside, those ones fail a lot, so I don't prefer those ones. The next modification I can mention is the tinted windows. So we have it tinted up to here, helps block out the sun, very helpful. Sides, corners, and back all done too, 35%. So it's not dark, but it's not light either. So 35% is probably the sweet spot. I am on Buddy Club coilovers. The front is a little higher due to the Megan Racing support parts down there. There's a bar up front. I'm not sure if we can peek under there and see it. Yeah, there it is. It's not blue anymore. But because that hangs down a little bit lower, it hits on everything. It's nice because it protects the oil pan, but it also requires you to raise it up a little bit more. Plus, I drive around in Chicago, potholes, things like that. It's very functional. It's tuned perfectly to the height that it looks good, and it is functional. I don't rub, I don't hit anything, I don't scrape, and that's how I want it. And the rear's sitting a little lower, but it looks great, feels great. Now the side skirts here, they're from Ventus Auto Works. See a little thing here. They're a Canadian company. They shipped real fast, they installed real great, and yeah, it looks awesome. I have the spats in the rear to match, same company. On the top of the rear windshield here, I got this little lip. And interior, I got the H and the SI Plasti dipped black. was thinking of going white with them, but I think that white SI in the front is good enough. For brakes, I have drilled and slotted rotors, upgraded brake pads, stainless steel brake lines. Okay, for engine modifications, this is my second K20 Z3 engine. First one hydro-locked back in 2006 when I first got the car. I installed a AEM cold air intake, which puts the filter right at the bottom. A flash flood here in the Midwest happened super fast. Drove through a puddle, sucked up water, engine kaput. Yep, insurance covered it. Got a new engine installed. Moved to the short ram. I know it's a hot air intake, but it doesn't suck up water, and it sounds awesome when you're hitting VTEC. So that's really the main purpose of it. Sounds awesome. Painted the covers red. Got the Hasport motor mounts. I got all of them. The one underneath the engine, one on the side here too. I mean, seen its age. This here upgraded a code alarm system. Got that while working at Circuit City. It's got proximity sensor, motion sensors, two-way key, remote start. Remote start with a manual car. You just bypass the clutch switch, so the system thinks the clutch is always on. So that's how you do that. And it does have a toggle switch to turn the system on and off. So if I do give the car to a shop or someone takes the car, I could turn that off and no one can mistakenly, mess that up. As I said, short ram intake from AEM. I have Mishimoto radiator. You can kind of see it peeking out over there. It's really the only place you can go with their hoses, top and bottom. It is tuned with Hondata Flash Pro. It's the first generation, no Bluetooth, old USB A to B cable, all that good stuff. Over here I got a Mugen powered sock cover for the brake. If you notice in my recent video, I installed the Acuity shifting bushings down there. That is the most recent modification. I installed a new battery support. The other one was super rusted. This one kind of looks like K-Tune version, but not saying it is. Just works, looks great. This is a sub-amp wire, dressed, kind of tucked, kind of out of the way, like that. We got a race header. Obviously, you guys will never be able to see it. That's just how these guys are. Actually, maybe I can scoot this. There we go, got a light this time. Let's see if you can see anything down there. Oh, there it is. Okay, here's the race header. No catless. Goes back to a Gritty Evo 2 exhaust. Let's see if I can get a picture of that. Go. Best exhaust, and I don't ever see it. I don't see anybody rocking that one anymore. Another hard to see is the upper strut bar. Oh, there, you see that chrome? That's it. Shoot. Yeah, you can't really see it in there, but it's there. This engine bay is super crammed in, so there's not much you can see. For the trunk, I've got aftermarket subs. They are 12-inch Kappa Perfects Infinity. And let me turn on the light again. All right, let's see if you can see the amp. It's also Infinity. There she is. It's a 600 watt, and both subs are 300 watt each. Little piece of progress here is the rear sway bar. Another part that you can't see. With upgraded end links. Let's go to the interior. Pretty stock looking. I have the red H emblem on the airbag. I have hardwired radar detector, the broad view wide mirror, and a hardwired dash cam, front and rear. Pioneer head unit with Bluetooth. Really, and then I just put my phone right on that mount, and I use my phone like Apple CarPlay. Acuity shifter. You can see in another video that I've got that. There's the old school Honda Flash Pro, just chilling. I did have to replace the e-brake handle that was fading and cracking. The window visors, these are replaced. Those crack and stop working because of the heat. Here's the interior. Super clean. No eating in this car. And then this is really cool. I saw this online someplace. If you keep your cars sitting for a while, it gets moisture. So this sucks out the moisture in your car and then gives it a nice lavender smell. So if you have cars that sit for a while, get that. They're cheap and it works great. It smells so good. Nice and lavender or whatever flavor you want. But yeah, not too much else. Oh, you know what? Now the clutch. We have Exedi Stage 1 clutch with a lightweight flywheel. And all the things you need when you do a clutch, you know. Okay, well, that's it. That's the updated mod list. If you have any questions or anything that you notice and I didn't mention that you're curious about, yeah, feel free to leave a comment. Let me know. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.